Hi team, as discussed, going over the new solar panel sizing calculator that we have built for you, uh, using the standard inputs from the old Excel sheet. So we have the sizing or the site details that the fill out with the client, the location so that you can get the proper angle of the panels, the battery information. So based on that sizing, that will provide the battery sizing and the array and MPPT information. So once you fill out this information, you click the calculate size and you can go to the results. This will give you the additional information in a quick visible format that you can share with the client. This can also be printed. You also then can have a efficiency range based off of the location and the sizing. You have the breakdown of the parts required based on that sizing input. You can also, it provides a quick little diagram of what needs to be done. We have some notes on the assumptions and how to use the application. Again, to allow for multiple projects, you can save the current projects. You can load them so you can bring them up, save as records, and reprint them. And from the admin perspective, we have the database where you can do backups, and then you won't have a problem with any type of storage or support. So thank you again. If you have any questions, let me know.